Yeah, bumps and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, and I hope you.
Hello folks, so I want to drop a quick video on you guys. It wasn't created for YouTube, so the editing is a little bit off, but I couldn't leave it out. This morning the wife made it's a, what do you call it, a breakfast BLT. When you have eggs, when you put eggs on it, it's a breakfast BLT.
Egg BLT.
Egg BLT. But we used our eggplant bacon in this one, and trust me, it was so simple but yet so complex with flavors, and it just nice. Oh, it don't taste good.
It was amazing.
So guys, as I said, very simple. It's lettuce, tomato, with our eggs. We use 2 eggs, and we use our eggplant that we dehydrated and, you know, turn it into bacon, or just jerky. If you want to call it jerky, if you want to call it bacon, that's up to you. But guys, I had to share it because even though, as I said, the video wasn't, the clips weren't you know, shot for YouTube, it worked so good and it tastes so good that I wish that everybody could get a chance to sample something like this.
And check out the video showing how he made the eggplant jerky, because it has a nice smoky taste. So just, you know, see how he made that.
My girl, a little goodie, Jesus, peace. Atsa. Who atsa? Who atsa, tell the truth. Who atsa? Guys, without no further ado, check out the video. It'll come up right now. Yeah, Yardie Belly TV. And you don't know, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. I saw Yardie Belly TV said. Remember, we out here doing it for the vlog.
Alright guys, to start it off, we're using this fruit and veggie seeded bread, and it's very delicious, I tell you guys, and very nutritious. Because I'm gonna be toasting the bread, I'm gonna be just applying a little bit of butter on all sides, yeah, just to make it, you know, have that nice golden brown crust that we all love. Alright, so I have my pot on the stove already heated, so I'm just laying the slices in the pan just for not even a minute on each side. Alright, and the star of the show is this eggplant bacon, or plant-based bacon substitute, yes, that hubby made. You guys need to check out that video if you haven't already done so. But guys, this is nice and flavorful. He did it with a nice smoky flavor, so it really mimics bacon nicely. So I'm just warming that through in the pan as well, so that we can add that to our sandwich. Alright, so now I'm about to, you know, do the eggs. So I'm adding a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to the pan, and it's just 1, 2, 3 adding the eggs. And of course I'm adding a little bit of salt and pepper, and just like that the egg is well underway. Alright guys, time for the assemble. Alright, so we have our nicely toasted bread, and to that I'm adding some roasted pepper hummus. Amazing. Yeah, just put in a generous amount on each slice of the bread before starting to put on our different ingredients. That looks like a whole dish in itself. But all right, so we're just layering the eggplant, quote unquote, bacon. Look how nice that egg looks, guys. Yeah. Of course, I'm putting the egg on top, and then of course we're introducing some veggies. So I have a nice leaf of romaine lettuce and just a couple slices of tomato. And tell me that this is not breakfast of champions. Yeah. Wow. Delicious. Alright, so we just close up the sandwich, cut the sandwich in half, and let me tell you something. This was a simple but flavorful and just something different from the norm. And you guys definitely have to try this one. Like I said before, the eggplant bacon, second to none, and you guys definitely have to look into that one to see how it was made.
The absolute best one-day detox on the market. If you haven't gotten yours yet, text me now, 305-204-1270, and you can get one of these for yourself. Take it one bottle at a time, and it work. Guys, me can only tell you say it work because me know it work. We have so many good people talking about this thing. I think you should all try to get one. Yeah, I think you should all try to get one. Free shipping in the US. Yeah, get yourself one of this. One day detox by Green Valley. Yeah, the Bell TV have it, and we can make it available to you. Alright? Remember me tell you.